Alright guys, today we're making a stewed chicken with potatoes. Put in my garlic. Very simple I'm making it. I put in the onion, celery, pepper. I did a whole habanero pepper, tomatoes, and scallions. And I have ginger also. And everybody make their stew different. Some people use tomato paste. Some people use cashew, corn sugar, all kinds of stuff. I do mine with tomatoes. I do not like to use tomato paste. Let me know in the comments how you guys make your stew. So there's a few different ways of making stew also. This is one way I do it. So I'll let this saute for a few minutes and be back. Alright, this been cooking up for a few minutes here. I'm gonna add my chicken. I season my chicken. You can choose to season yours or not if you wanted to. I use sazon, black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. So I'm gonna allow this to cook for at least 10 minutes. I'll be back. Alright. It's been, I think, about 8 minutes. Looks good, it smells good. I'll add some salt to taste. Black pepper. Of course, some thyme. Slightly a little bit paprika. I'll cover this up and let it cook. I'll add a little bit of water. That's about it. Again, if you like your tomato paste, you can put in your tomato paste or sugar or burnt sugar. This is how I like my stew. One way in doing it. Alright, looks like it's 3/4 way cooked. I like my meat a little bit more tender, so I'll put in the potatoes in here. I clean it and wash it. I chip mine a little smaller. And I have a whole habanero ball of fire in here. So the potato or aloo will be cooked, I think maybe another 10 minutes. I'll let this cook for 10-15 minutes roughly. I'll do the hand test, see if it has salt. Yep, it has salt. And it tastes like stew. Alright guys, I'll put this cover on back and I'll be back. Alright folks, I think this is done. And yep, it's done. Potato boil. I usually like to make one of these pretty soft, mash it up, squish it up here to make some nice thick gravy. 1 or 2 pieces I will do like that. So I'll do another one here. See that there? I'll just smash it in the pot. Alright guys, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, share the video, and see you in the other video. Thank you for watching.